Morning, everyone. We're back at it again with Slime Rancher. So, last video, we had just finished exploring the mossy blanket, right? Moss blanket. Gotta remember those. And we found a ton of cute little honey slimes for the farm. Oh, also, we found these cute little puddle slimes, too. I love them. Aren't they adorable? Either way. We have a ton of big slimes that we have to feed today and make explode so we can unlock a ton of other areas. Making a decent amount of income now. I don't think we're gonna need... Maybe I should collect these carrots on my way as well. Just so that way I can feed the pink slimes, because the pink slimes haven't been fed lately. And I don't want the pink slimes going crazy. I needed you. That nest is like the worst nest in Slime Rancher ever. Every time I go by that nest, some chicken is dying. Why do chickens keep laying their eggs there? Live! Live! I'll save all of you. I'm sorry about your child. We'll work that one out in the future, but save what I can. Ah! I don't know where it happened, but hey. Absolute mayhem. All the chickens are dying. Save all the chickens. Well, not really save, I guess. I mean, I don't think I can say that when I'm about to feed them anyways. Phew. Alright, good. I definitely see the point in an energy increase now. I think I almost have enough for the tabby slime. The big tabby slime is gonna really like all these chickens. Oh, hi, buddy. I don't know if each slime has a unique spawning sound, but I definitely think if they did, Phosphor Slime has the cutest so far. Maybe they do. That one's like a bum 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 bum. Oh my gosh, they're gonna explode. They're inky. Slime! Honeys! Oh my gosh, I need the little honey slimes. No, I can't take them. Ow! Alright, quick. Grab all the honey slimes before they become evil. No, 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 no. Ah! No. Ow! Shoo. Out of here. No, 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 no. Protect the honey slimes. Protect the honey slimes. Protect the honey slimes. Must protect. Good. Oh. Evil's afoot again. No, don't you dare. Get out of here. Shoot. Okay. No! Why won't you all stop eating stuff you're not supposed to eat? You're like gremlins. No! Out. I'm really bad at this. At this point, I might just let nature take its course. I think we're good. I couldn't get all the honey slimes, but I got a decent amount. Woo! Bonus round. Okay. Alright, it was kind of scary the first couple times, but I'm starting to get tired of them. I saved who I could. And I think in the end, that's what matters. I don't care too much about ports, so all of you can just kind of like chill in there and have ports, okay? I'm always the second too late to save the ones. Oh, no, wait. I had an inventory slot. I could have saved them! Poor rooster. Here. You know, this game gets a lot less, cutesy when you realize that, like, every other second you're hearing, like, the cries of a chicken about to die. Boom, 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 boom. Oh! I knew it. You couldn't lie to me. You were actually just a bunch of... You were all just a bunch of cats in a trench coat. Wait! Wait, what if I'm just a bunch of cats in a trench coat? There they are, the other tabby. Tabby demands noms, and I will provide. Oh my. Wait, how many do you take? That's not enough? What? Grow bigger, my cat. Ah! Uh-oh. No, the chickens! You just murdered the chickens. I just murdered the... Uh-oh. Wait, where do I go? I don't know where it was! Oh my god. All of the rewards. All of... Ow. I think I may need to release tabby slimes. I don't know if I need the tabby slimes. Alright, tabby slimes, you right here? I do need carrots, however. Perhaps I shouldn't have released tabby slimes here. Oh, I can put little ornaments on my pens. One. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I tried my best. I think the tabby section needs to get that a bit more though. I'm slowly like tanking the economy price though on the honey port. Actually, I think all of the port prices go down. Are they not based on whether or not you're selling or buying? Maybe they're just based on the day. Upgrades. What does storing water do? Calm slimes or dissolve oh, wait. I can dissolve tar with it? Nice. Alright, that is really useful then. Alright, I think we're gonna go back into the jungle maybe. Maybe there's something left there. I'm not sure where else I haven't explored. Well, that was hidden. I think it was hidden at least. Oh no, wait, I was here. But I made it this time. Ha! No death again. I highly advise you have a jetpack and a few upgrades before tackling what's ahead. The land is all broken and twisted, and there's plenty of feral slimes about who you won't see coming before they blast you right into the sea. Keep those peepers peeled. H. Well, H, I will be on my guard. Ah! Woo! Maybe I wasn't prepared. Maybe I wasn't prepared. Maybe I wasn't prepared. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. We're good. We're all good. Alright. Come on. Energy. Good. Good. Wait up. No! No, 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 no. No slip. No slip. Alright, we're going across over there, I think. Nothing useful over here. Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna need so many mangoes for you. No! No! I don't have mangoes. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. Wait, what's this? Oh. Alright, so if I figure out my way to find each of these things, I actually color in the area. Whoop, I wish I had known that earlier. Yay, nice. Map acquired. And it only took me kind of like completely just finding my way around on the trees. So I think I know my way to get around on the trees next time, and I have to return after getting some mangoes. Speed growing montage. I corrected it immediately. Woo. See this cute little area that you have, honey slime? I'm not falling for your shenanigans. See that island over there? Teleport me to that island? I'm gonna be depressed. You don't want to do that to me, right? You want to give me a key, right? You want to give me a key so I can access the new area? Because the cat messed up and accidentally unlocked an area she didn't need to? Yes? Alright, good. I'm glad we could have this discussion. That's not a good sign. Oh, that's a key. That is a good sign. Woo! It's a good sign. We got a key. Yay! Alright, good. Woo. How do I do this? My mango. Okay. Wait. Home. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to keep any more of you in there. I think I need to start releasing slimes. And I'm sorry, but I think you're the first to go, Rock Largo. 1, 2. Goodbye, rock orgos. Goodbye. Honey slime setup number 2. Now to open the next area with a key. What do they do? Wait, how do I suck them up? No! Do I have to hit you with water? And key. Whew. Next area is open. Indigo quarry unlocked. Alright, really quickly without reading context, we gotta do the run through for the new slimes, right? Empty inventory. New slime? No. What is that? Whoa, what are you? Oh, right. A radiation slime? Rat slime. This radiance is so lovely, it makes you sick. Oka oka. It's a known of rat slime, sometimes called ratties. Came to be from external radiation sources or from something naturally occurring within the far, far range. Regardless. Cave is unlocked. Alright. And I think with that we only have one really big... Oh my god, I could have picked a completely different area? What? Oh my. Alright, there's a home teleport here as well. So now to finish exploring. Looks to me like there's some kind of like mining operation down here. I know what I'm collecting. Gilded ginger. What is gilded ginger? Mosaic ornament. You're a cute one. I used to come here when I needed a good soak. It's a great way to clear your head. Sometimes I'd catch a puddle slime blushing, and I could never tell if it was because I was in my bathing suit or not. H. Oh, I've seen the little like, what did I call it? I think I called it like the anime senpai blush. Puddle slimes are super embarrassed. It's really cute. Crystal slimes. Ow! Those crystal slimes are going to kill me in like 2 seconds. That is incredibly deadly. This leads straight to the home area, right? But I need Oka Okas first. Right there, please, really quickly. Odd onion, no, 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 no. I don't need odd onions. No. Rat slimes really like their food. I think that's the only place I've ever seen the Oka Oka spawn.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Uh-oh. Oh! Well, cat couldn't fly that one time in particular, I guess. I think that's a good area. Okay. Well, I guess at least we got a nice little batch of honey slimes for later. That's gonna have to be a different video though. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Meanies.